Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Razr 60 and let me share with you how to reset settings on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's tap on Reset Options, and here on the third position we've got Reset Device Settings, so this is the option we're looking for. Your device is informing you what it will reset, so any changes you've made to the following settings will be undone, so battery, display and storage. So just tap on Reset Device Settings and confirm everything with your screen lock. Tap on Reset Device Settings and now simply wait until this process will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.